Every full moon looks bright. But the strawberry moon, it hits different. And honestly, it's not what you'd expect. Here's the part nobody tells you. It's not actually pink. Nope. The name comes from Algonquin tribes. It marked wild strawberry season. Simple as that. But the glow, that's where it gets interesting. See, most full moons this time of year climb high. 60, 70 degrees above the horizon. But the strawberry moon, it stays low, around 18 degrees, which means its light passes through way more atmosphere than any other full moon. Think about that. More air, more dust, more moisture means more scattering. Shorter wavelengths scatter out. The blues, gone. What's left? Warm amber gold, sometimes deep orange. So that glow you see isn't magic, it's orbital science. The moon's low arc forces its light through the thickest part of our atmosphere. Wait, actually, yeah, it kind of is magic. Because no other full moon all year does this at this angle. So what actually happened? Earth's tilt, the sun's position, and the moon's orbit aligned to keep it scraping the horizon. And here's the thing, the effect only lasts about 22 minutes after moonrise. Miss it, you're stuck with a regular white moon. Sound familiar? So get outside, face east, get low, and watch. Seriously, you'll see it with your naked eye. No telescope, no filters. And no, you can't make strawberry jam from it. I know, right? Subscribe next up. I'll break down the buck moon and why it pulls the same trick in.